Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Zip card to your Apple Wallet. First, open the Wallet app. This is the app where you store all your digital cards and passes. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will let you add a new card. From the options that appear, choose debit or credit card. This works for many types of payment cards, including your Zip card. Now you can either scan your Zip card using your phone's camera or enter the details manually, like the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. After entering the details, you'll need to verify your card. Depending on your setup, you might get a text message, an email, or a notification from the Zip app. Just follow the instructions to finish the verification. And that's it. That's how to add your Zip card to your Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.